Hey folks, welcome to Hey Big Grilling. Now tonight we're going to make a chicken cordon bleu casserole. First we're going to spray our 9x13 baking dish with some non-stick spray for Gimme Gigi. First thing we're going to do is we're going to evenly layer, not necessarily evenly, but we don't want to overlap our chicken. So next we're going to layer 8 slices of Black Forest ham over our chicken. Next, 8 slices of Swiss cheese. Next, we're gonna pour 1 can cream of chicken soup into a small bowl, followed by a 1/4 cup of milk. Once you got those 2 ingredients in there, just gonna stir this in together, kind of whisk it in. I know I'm not using a whisk, but get these 2 ingredients nice and incorporated. Next, we're gonna pour that over the top of our Swiss cheese. Now that I've got this poured over the top, I just kind of want to work it around to where it's as even as I can get it. Not going for perfection, but want to try to even it out. Next, we're going to add 4 tablespoons of butter into this bowl here, and we're going to melt it. Now we're going to take 1 cup of panko breadcrumbs, add it to the bowl. I just want to kind of toss this all in together, get it nice and coated with that melted butter. All right, now we're gonna start kind of sprinkling these breadcrumbs in over the top here. I wanna try to get this as evenly as I can, so I'm going slow about it. All right, now we're gonna put this in the oven at 375 degrees for about 45 minutes or until our chicken is cooked all the way through 165 degree internal temperature. All right, folks, we just pulled this out after 45 minutes. We're gonna let it stand for 5, let it rest. If you notice, it's a little different color here. I didn't, 1 cup wasn't enough. So next time I go 1.5 cups, maybe 2 cups to have enough, and maybe just a little bit more butter, melted butter. So that way you can get an even coat. So we're gonna say this was an experiment to see how this will taste without the butter. All right, so let's go ahead and try to dive into this thing. I'm just gonna take my spatula here. That chicken should be laid out about right there. There we go. Then, just gonna plate it. Now I am using paper plates today because, well, I'm the only one here. Miss Laura and Aubrey and Laura's mom and sister and niece, they're all at the beach. All right, so our chicken looks very well cooked. And it's very juicy. Let's go and give it that all-important taste test. I got some of that, the breadcrumbs here, the ham, Swiss cheese, and the chicken, which looks really hot, by the way. That right there, very, very good. However, right off the bat, there's 2 things I'd have done different. Next time, I think I would have put the Swiss cheese down first, you know, on top of the chicken, then the ham, then another layer of Swiss on top of that. Just kind of give it that extra gooiness that you come to expect with the chicken cordon bleu. The second thing I would have done was my ham. Some of them I kind of put them up on the edges there. And so as they cooked, they were outside of that, the breadcrumbs. And so as that cooked, those ends kind of got a little crispied, not crispy, but kind of hard to chew. But over and all, very tender chicken, very good flavor. It's got that wonderful crunch from the breadcrumbs. So y'all please give us one a try. 45 minutes. 45 minutes. But that's all you need. So very good meal. Y'all give us a try. Let me know what you think. Please like, subscribe. We'll see you later.